Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about the MobileSnyper from Treetop Outdoors. It's an awesome platform that's 14 by 12, so it's big enough for my feet, which is an awesome thing. Another cool thing about it is they have great standoff, so it's about 6 inches of standoff over the tree. That's been some of my issues using some of the platforms recently, and some of the climbing sticks is I don't have enough standoff distance to keep away from the tree. Another awesome thing they have is a cam cleat. So when you do call the company, they'll give you an option of putting it left to right. I'm right-handed, so I want it to go right. Another awesome thing about this platform is you can wear it as a bag. So it's cool, you can wrap it around. I won't do that, I'll be attaching it to my bag. So you see this huge platform, you're probably wondering how I would do this. So there's a bolt on the bottom. Take these off. And you put it right in the center. There's a screw right in the middle. You tighten it down. So now you're able to pack it in and lightweight. You can either carry it in or wear it in your backpack. But now you have the ability. So you're probably wondering, where do you keep this when you're coming in? So unscrew that, lift up, get off, and then I'll connect that to my bag. Show you how to connect. Again, you can press as high or as low as you want. Gonna press this in, go around, bring it through the cam cleat, and down. So from this part, I pull out and down. Now I'm connected, and then through. And that's it. Stable. We'll go from there. Break it. So now that we're at the tree, first thing we're gonna do, you got two methods. You can either use your lineman rope to connect from the bottom. You could grab up or you can pull. So I'm just gonna do the third method, pretty easy. So first thing I'm gonna do is grab the top, put my foot into the tree and pull up. Pull up to the tree on the side. Get up. So now that I'm at the bottom rung, connect my So now I'm hands-free at the bottom rung. A lot of folks will put it around their head. I don't like that. That doesn't make me feel comfortable at all. So I like to use this method or just climb up. So now that I'm at the bottom, we're gonna make our first movement. Go into my bag. So from the bottom step, we're gonna connect our quick link just above our head. Sure that it's tight, slightly to the right. So now that we're connected, then I'll lock in additionally with my tether locker for extra protection. Get my Virgo out. And down. Well, now that I'm connected to my tether, I can let go of my lineman, pull up. Now I'm hands-free. And you don't have to do this. It's just an extra step. It's weather. Clumsy, could be tired. Cool, so now, got our rope, everything's flowing. Cool. So now that we're good here, we can step up, pull up to the tree, give it a pull. Out, so it's just above my head. tight, slightly to the right, not dead center. Push up. So now you'll notice even without the second plate or second platform, I'm able to jump. I'm 235, weighed myself this morning. You can see me jumping and I have enough foot space that I'm actually able to move. So now that we're here, we're gonna make our first movement. So what I'm gonna do is put my tether locker in place. That's one. Slightly move to the right. I'm gonna come down slightly. No pressure, no strain. Easy peasy, hanging free. Now that I'm hanging free, I'll reach down, go a little further. Reach down. As you can tell, I'm not struggling for my life or breathing deep, so I guess that's a good thing. Pulling this up. From here, I'm gonna move it back center. Slightly moving to the right, in front of me. And you can put this as high or as low as you want. It's really your comfort, what you're used to. But before you get in the tree, please practice and work out your own techniques. Similar before, pull it out. Now it's synced into the tree. Here, move myself center. And then climb up. So this is using the platform. So probably one more move, I'll be at hunting height. I'm probably 9 feet from here, maybe higher. One more move, I'll be at hunting height. So how do I get the platform to the ground? So prior to that, prior to coming up to height, I will lower down, go from the bottom rung, go here, easy, no pressure. It's not about being fast, but being efficient. And practice. One thing cool about saddle hunting, you can practice from the ground. This with no hands. Okay, now got the platform. We have stealth strip tape just to make sure it doesn't make a cling. Minimal noise. Cool. So now we have our 14-inch platform. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and up. So now I'm ready to hunt. You'll see I'm able to get my strong side from here all around. I'm also able to turn around. I've gotten the majority of my deer from behind me and go from my other side and use my weak side as well. No pressure at all. I'm not out of breath, which is cool. So, how do we get down? So, first thing to do, we whip out our Dynaglide. This can be used to pull your rope up, to pull your rope down, but for our purposes, we're gonna help pull our rope down as we rappel. Connect this to our quick link. Center. It's a ball of jumble right now. That's cool. Connect here to our quick link. And if you want to use this, it doesn't have to be a Dynaglide rope. I think this was $4, maybe $5 from Eastern Outdoors. And different companies have them. The main thing for this one is something reliable you can pull off the tree and you feel comfortable with. Do not climb with this. It literally says don't climb with that, but I just wanted to reiterate. So what we're gonna do is, now that it's connected to the side of the tree, you just let it hang. So what we're gonna do is put slight pressure, pull to the right. I'm gonna slowly come down. Now that I'm here, easy peasy, pull this off. Looking, make sure I find my hole. Oh, connected, good to go. So from here, put slight pressure. Start to let go on the Virgo. Start to let go, slowly letting out. So I don't burn my hands. And no pressure. Just go back center. For these purposes, I'm just going to drop it. Cool. So, held down. You can walk or you can put your knees against the tree, whatever you want. And that's it. So from here, now that I'm centered at the tree and at the bottom, I grab my Dyno Glide, I pull out. There you go. Out. Cool. And that's it. And now I come down. Stats right here if you want to check them out. It's a great platform. I enjoy it. It covers, holds my weight, and hopefully my little demonstration not only made you feel comfortable, but made you want to buy it, or at least look into one sticking or some type of one sticking. If you're questioning about like what to do for one sticking, one thing you're going to literally need is a one stick. You can do one with a platform. You can do one without a platform. I'm clumsy, so I wanted one with a platform. But a lot of guys will modify a Hawk Helium stick and then put a platform. Clam Cleat will kind of help you, at least as you saw me move it with one hand instead of using two. And then the aiders. I was given a 3-step, I only used 2, but it just depends on how comfortable you are using the system. Something to rappel with. This can be used to descend or ascend up the tree. And just make sure there's different versions out there. There's the Virgo, there's the Mad Rock. Just make sure it's rated for rock climbing, and do your research. It's really preference or shooter's preference. Dyno Glide, check that out. Again, mine looks like it's scrambled, but hey, it packs pretty nicely. And then a tether locker. Something cheap, it's plastic, but it saves your life and keeps you in place. And then the quick link. Make sure that it's rated for climbing. Don't just pick up a random one, because different ones have side pressure. And then the last thing is the 40-foot rope of Canyon Elite. You'll typically see either 30 or 45. Just get whatever you can manage. And then rope management, just making sure that you're able to practice, do it enough that it just becomes muscle memory and you can do it in the dark. Because that's really when it comes time, either prior to the hunt or before the hunt. And like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please put it down in the comments and I'll get right to you. Thank you.